I'm here in Brooke from Crafted Workshop's ridiculously awesome workshop. Also as James Wright, Wood by Wright, the whole podcast crew is here. We're getting ready to do a one-day build. We're building a waterfall table with this butternut slab, and we have no idea what order the videos are going to be in. James is going to tackle all the hand tool stuff that he does. He's going to do the drawer. Johnny's going to do the slab. I'm going to do some legs and possibly forge some drawer pulls. So I don't know what order the videos are going to come out in, but make sure to watch them all. It should be pretty interesting.
Say something. Hello.
Just like a blade that's too tall to cut, you're an open door that always stays shut. When you're gone, Lord, have mercy on your soul.
Shot a piece of metal right in my mouth.
You'll wait a long time for an applause. It won't be me, babe, I don't support your cause. And when you're gone, have mercy on your soul.
Yeah, I've never seen it that black before, and that was my goal. I really wanted it super dark, so I'd say for that, I just use it for that. Yeah, I just want a little bit extra to it, you know? That's what I want those going for. And there's holes on the drawers, so just low enough so you can get a screw out of there. The hardest hardware installation of all time. The least ergonomical thing ever. IKEA ain't got nothing else. No deal. Okay.
Gotta reshoot your outro?
Nah, I took my mic off.
We're live. Hey guys, so I just had a blast building this. I have to talk really loud because I don't have the fancy camera equipment that these guys do here. So just got done building this adjective table. It's waterfall, it's live edge, it's modern, it's rustic, it's charming, and it was a lot of fun. But like, how many hours ago?
6, 7?
Yeah. 7 hours ago, this was a pile of crap over there. So we made this in one day. It was really a lot of fun seeing everybody in their own element doing their own thing. This is actually going to be a 3-part series. I handled the legs and some forged handles here. Johnny did the slab and the waterfall. James did the drawer and a bunch of cool hand cut stuff. It was really fun to watch in person. So, but we're also going to be, actually I should say, yeah, in the 3-part series, I'm gonna have it in a playlist so you guys can watch James' part, Johnny's part. But also we're going to be auctioning this off on eBay, and some of the proceeds are going to be going to charity. So I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on that. What else should I say? Did I miss anything?
No.
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching.
All right. Sweet. All right.
Got to get that candid element on there.